Smart lighting doesn't have to be restricted to indoors, and the Philips Hue range has a great selection of lights to enhance your outdoor area and garden. Great for setting the right mood for a night with friends or lighting the pathway to your front door at night time. So let's take a look at some of the Philips Hue outdoor lights. The outdoor light strip works the same way that your indoor Philips lighting does. Plug it into power, open the app and sync it to the bridge. The only difference is that it goes outdoors. The light strip comes in a 2 or 5 meter option and includes mounting brackets and screws to hide it away neatly out of sight. Being an outdoor light, it's also weatherproof and will work on extremely cold or hot days. Like the outdoor light strip, the Lily Spotlight is designed to live outside and include mounting brackets to fit the lights to a wall or ceiling, and a stake mount to place them into your garden. They include a weatherproof outdoor power supply, so once you've synced it with the bridge, you can set and forget. Using the Philips Hue app, you have full control over the light's brightness, colours and power settings. You can select from a range of pre-designed light scene templates to really make your outdoor area pop. Design and customize your own scenes, and even have the lights change to the beat of your music. And everything runs through the bridge, so there's no need to flick any switches. Simply open the Hue app on your phone and turn them on, or control by voice if you have a voice assistant. For ultimate control over the mood and appearance of your outdoor area, or to breathe new life into your garden, start with the Philips Hue outdoor light strip and Lily Spotlight. If you want to know more about the Philips Hue range, contact your local JB or visit jbhifi.com.au.